Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Peugeot 388TA right front window switch. On the switch there will be a little cover which you'll need to remove, and underneath the cover there will be a T20 torx screw. When you remove this, the switch is held on by clips, so with a flathead metal screwdriver, gently and carefully, patiently, on all sides, just lift the switch up. What you need to do while doing this is actually press onto the clips, which are these. So when you're going in from the sides, and that will make it removing much more easier. Once the switch is out, we'll need to unplug the switch. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Putting on our new switch, we will follow the process in reverse order, replugging, and then once it's plugged in, all that's required to do is push the switch into place, because it's just the clips that hold it, and then reattaching the torx screw and then putting the cover back on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.